how to find who can stitch with your videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can stitch with your videos on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in top corner you will find the storylines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and scroll down until you find stitch. Click on it, and as you see here you will find who can stitch with your videos, and you can here as you see everyone can stitch with my videos. And that's it. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.